purpose of this gathering is to engage with you, to welcome you, to engage with us, to partner with us. We are in this together. Our valued HEIs and partner agencies, and encourage you to align your programs, projects, and activities with the Achieve agenda. By doing so, you position yourselves to fully maximize the opportunities offered by the chair, whether it is accessing a larger share of scholarship slots and subsidies, or benefiting from our various development-driven programs and initiatives. When we move in the same direction, we strengthen not only individual institutions, but the entire higher education sector of the Cordillera region.